Hi, and welcome back to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I am Bryan Fagan, and today I will guide you through the basic steps of filing for divorce in Texas with confidence. Going through divorce can be overwhelming, but understanding the process can help to ease some of that stress. The first step for filing for divorce in Texas is to ensure that you meet the residency requirements. One spouse must have lived in Texas for at least 6 months and in the county where they will be filing for at least 90 days. Once you have confirmed this, the next step is for filing a petition for divorce with the court. This document outlines your reasons for seeking a divorce and the relief that you are asking for, such as child custody, property division, or spousal support. It is important to fill out this petition carefully and to make sure that your wishes are clearly stated and legally sound. After filing the petition, the other spouse must be served with the divorce papers. This is known as service of process. If your spouse agrees to the divorce and the terms, this can be simple. However, there are uncooperative spouses and service can be more complicated. Once your spouse has been served, they have a set amount of time to respond. If they don't respond in time, you may be able to proceed without them through a process called a default judgment. The next step is to seek temporary orders through a hearing. If necessary, this step ensures that both parties follow certain rules while the divorce is pending, especially when there are children involved. Temporary orders might cover things like who lives in the family home, temporary child custody, or support obligations, who pays what bills, who gets to use the car. Once the temporary orders are in place, if needed, the divorce will move forward into settlement or trial. If you and your spouse can reach an agreement on issues like property division and child custody, the divorce may be finalized through a settlement process. However, if you cannot reach an agreement, the case will need to go to trial, and a judge will make final decisions for you and your spouse. The final step in the divorce is a decree. This is a legal document that officially ends the marriage. It outlines the terms of the divorce, including custody arrangements, property division, and any other decisions that need to be made during the divorce process. Navigating the divorce can be a complex process, but knowing these basic steps can help you to make informed decisions with confidence. If you are considering a divorce and need help, please reach out to and schedule a free 30-minute consultation with us today. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more legal insights. And until next time, stay safe, stay informed, and take care. Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.